G'day guys, Greg here. Now it is product review time once again, and today I'm going to be reviewing this frozen meat pie product right here. The Woolworths potato topped beef pie. Tender Australian beef and delicious thick gravy and a crisp pastry. Finished with pipings of creamy potato. Oh, I love potatoes. You know what's better than a potato? Two potatoes. And do you know what's better than two potatoes? Pipings of potatoes. Now, I wonder how much actual potatoes is in this. Well, let's suss it out. Oh, tatami potatoes. Well, it says here that potatoes is 42%, but it's also 16%. So I think it's about 58%. And the amount of beef in this, well, it says here 32%, which 46% of the 32% is beef, so that makes about 15%. Oh, very confusing. But I do know here that it says that it's 1570 kilojoules, which means you could eat like 6 of these every day and still have a body like the old Gregor. Which in that case, you probably only want to have 5 of these every day. Anyway, let's crack it open and suss it out. All right, oh, yum. Oh, are you serious? Oh, yum, yum, yum. Potato, fun. Oh, me potatoes. Doesn't that look exotic? Looks like some sort of exotic fruit from faraway lands. Looking good. Anyway, how do we cook this bad boy? Well, you can stick it in the oven for 45 minutes. That seems like a waste of electricity. Or you can microwave it for about 3 minutes wrapped in paper. That seems pretty good, but will it turn out? Well, I'm not using any of those methods. I'm going to be using my trusty old air fryer. Now, generally when I'm using the old air fryer, I just stick it in for about 25 minutes on 180. So I'll give that a whirl. 180, 15, I'll whack it up to 24 minutes just in case. We'll come back and suss it out. Alright, well that 24 minutes is up. Oh, and check that out. That looks alright. Oh yeah. And I tell you what, this kitchen smells amazing. Well, let's check out the creamy potato topping. Well, these little bits pop off, no worries. And then underneath it's got like this really creamy looking mashed potato there. Looks like it's not even mashed. It looks like it's been creamed. Whoa. Cut it in half and see how much meat is in there. Well, it looks like there's, well, enough meat there, doesn't it? But it's looking pretty good. This smells really good. Let's start off with some of this potato. Tastes very reconstituted, but it's got a nice sort of flavour. I sometimes really do like that reconstituted potato flavour. There's just something about it that, I don't know, it's so fake and so badly fake, it tastes good. And this meat, classic meat pie taste, maybe a little bit on the sweet side, sort of like a tannin sort of taste, but it still tastes all right. Mate, and this pastry, good and crunchy. Right, well, let's go. Yeah, not too bad. I'm really liking that pastry on the outside. It's got this real crunchy crispness to it. And then the rest of the flavours of the meat and potato sort of all fall in line with it. And for the cheap, nasty brand of mashed potato meat pies, mate, this one is pretty good. But will it stand up to the tomato sauce test? Sort of hoping it will. And I'm expecting it to too. All right. That tastes like Australia right there. Well, it did say it is gourmet style. And it might not be like gourmet, but this tastes better than half the other frozen pies that are supposed to be gourmet in the frozen section of your supermarket. This is pretty good. I'm enjoying all the flavours of it. The potato, well, it's a little bit gooey and soft, but that's good. And the meat, well, it tastes like meat pie filling, so that's great. The crust, mate, that's good too. Altogether, mate, it's win-win-win, I reckon. So for the Grego thumb up scale, it's getting up. Well, you might think it's about there or there, but in reality, it's, well, not quite there, but about there. It's pretty tasty, and considering it's one of the cheapest ones, I'd definitely be putting this one on my shopping list for the next time I feel like a potato-topped meat pie from the frozen freezer section of your supermarket. Well, there you go, the Woolies home brand gourmet style potato-topped beef pie. Whew. I just wish there was 4 in a box instead of 2. Anyway, I hope this helps you decide what to try, what to buy, and what to avoid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I try some frozen tucker. Come at me. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review